Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about how to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency investments. Now we're going to be talking about a few different ways. The first way is BlockFi, and if you guys would like to sign up for BlockFi, you earn up to 5%. I think it's actually up to 8.6% APY on your cryptocurrency. So if you deposit USD, you literally can buy USDC, which is a stable coin, and you get a flat rate of 8.6% APY on your USDC coin, which is great. That's a fantastic return, especially if you're considering the return that normal bank accounts give you, which is like almost negligible. Like you'll earn maybe 0.005% on your money in a bank account, and here it's 8.6% APY. Also, USDC is an audited backed stablecoin, unlike USDT, which is Tether. So USDC is definitely a much safer place to hold your cryptocurrency if you want to hold it in a stable coin. Now we are going to be talking about in this video a bit riskier of a passive investment strategy for your cryptocurrency, which involves putting your crypto in a liquidity pool on a decentralized exchange. So with that, I am excited to talk to you guys about this concept because I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency. Ethereum is actually my largest investment, and that's not by choice. That is quite literally because my Ethereum has grown so much over the past year. I put in a small amount of money into it, and it's grown to be my largest investment that I have. So with that, I'm looking to earn some passive income on my cryptocurrency, and if you go on BlockFi, you get about 5% per year. But this current strategy, you can make up to 100% APY per year, and yes, it does come with risks, but I will explain it to you as this video goes along. Anyways guys, if you would like to join my Discord community, the link is in the description. It's 100% free. We talk about cryptocurrency, stocks, penny stocks, different types of investments. We just love investing there in that Discord community, and it's 100% free. So my gift to you guys, links down below. Also, if you'd like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, you can sign up for Public, which is a stock trading exchange, and the link for that is also down below in the description or in the pinned comment section. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is Uniswap. So I'm not talking about the cryptocurrency or the token Uniswap. The actual coin Uniswap does not really have any intrinsic value currently. It is just another coin that has the value of whatever you say it is. But in the future, Uniswap will be getting some intrinsic value as it's going to tie directly into the Uniswap decentralized trading protocol, or you guys can just call it a DeFi exchange. A decentralized cryptocurrency exchange is an exchange where you can swap your Ethereum for USD coin, your USD coin for Bitcoin, etc. You can do everything you can do on Coinbase, but there is no centralized party running the system. So in order for these decentralized exchanges to run, it needs liquidity reserves of these coins. It needs Ethereum reserves on its platform. It needs USDC coin reserves on its platform, etc. So in order to obtain these reserves, they have to have liquidity providers. So people who own Ethereum, people who own USDC coin, to put it into their liquidity pools. Then the liquidity providers, as a result, gets a small fee for each transaction that uses their liquidity that they put into the Uniswap liquidity pools. Uniswap is only ERC20 tokens, and that's why I am a big fan of this, as I believe in the Ethereum network the most in all of cryptocurrency. So here on Uniswap, you guys can see that you can swap Ethereum. So I have a balance of about 1.5 Ethereum here right now, and then you can select any token on this list to basically swap. This second tab right here is pools. So if you click on that, you can see the liquidity pools. It also teaches you about providing liquidity, which is this tab right here. You can learn all about it. This is actually a great explanation. It's where I learned most of it. And you can see the top pools, and it shows basically the top pools for providing liquidity on this platform. So you guys can see USDC ETH, Rapid Bitcoin ETH, ETH USDT, USDC USDT. I'd avoid Tether completely. Tether is not a great cryptocurrency, not a great stablecoin to say the least. DAI USDC, DAI is another pegged stablecoin to the US dollar. Uniswap coin, Ethereum. You get the point. So we're just gonna click on my current position, which is USDC and Ethereum. So you guys can see I currently have about $2,000 in the Ethereum USDC liquidity pool. Now you have to know that I paid about $90 in gas fees for Ethereum in order to deposit my money onto this liquidity pool. Currently, Ethereum gas fees are very high, but this will be changing in the future with some of these new EIP protocols. So you can see in this liquidity pool, I have about 50% USDC and 50% Ethereum. And these are my balances of each. So it's about $1,009 worth of USDC and 0.3 Ethereum. These values right here will be changing in the liquidity pool depending on the demand for either USDC or Ethereum. So basically in a bear market, my USDC coin should go down, and in a bull market, my Ethereum coin should go up, as there will be more demand for Ethereum in a bull market and there will be more demand for USDC coin as people are selling out in a bear market. And before adding these coins to the liquidity pool, you guys can see here you have to set a price range. So my minimum price is about $1,600 for Ethereum and my max price is about $6,400 for Ethereum. And like I said, in a bear market, there is more demand for USDC than Ethereum. So if this reaches my minimum price, 100% of my liquidity pool position will be in Ethereum. And vice versa, in a bull market where Ethereum goes over $6,463 per Ethereum coin, as there is more demand for Ethereum, I will be left with 100% USDC at this price. So that is essentially the risk that you're taking on by providing liquidity and earning this passive income. If Ethereum's price goes outside of this price range, you will no longer make any passive income on your investment, as you will no longer have the liquidity pair. You need to have USDC and Ethereum for this to work. If you have one or the other, this won't work. You won't be able to make any passive income. So this also ties in to the unclaimed fees section. So as you guys can see right here, it says 0.3%. That's how much money I will be making per transaction using my liquidity. I will be collecting a 0.3% fee. Now that doesn't sound like too much, but the more transactions there are using your liquidity, the more interest you get. And we can estimate the amount of money that we will collect in a year's time. So currently you guys can see that I have 3 cents in unclaimed fees, which means about $100 was used of my liquidity to make a transaction. So right here we have a Uniswap version 3 fee calculator, and if you just Google that, you'll be able to find this page. But we can basically use this tool to predict what our annual percent increase will be, or our APY will be, if we provide liquidity to Uniswap. So you come over here, you can select the pool. For simplicity, we're just going to be going over the pool that I have, which is the USDC WETH pool that's wrapped Ethereum. And right here we have the 0.05% fee. If we scroll down here, we can find the liquidity pool that I'm using, which is the 0.3% fee. Now we have 3 filters right here. We have the active price assumption, which is the current price of Ethereum. That's going to be automatically placed in there. You have the liquidity bound, so you have to put it all the way up here because my max price is about $6,500, and it doesn't even have that as an option, so we're just going to make that the max price. Date range, keep that at max. The investment, so the investment for me was about $2,000. So then it'll give you the 24-hour fee, which is going to be an estimate of around about $3.73, and this totals to a 68% APY on your $2,000 investment. I wouldn't recommend the 0.3% fee. I'd recommend this 0.5% fee. And as you guys can see, this updated to a $7.5 24-hour fee, and then a 136% APY on your cryptocurrency investment. So while testing this all out, I made the mistake of choosing the 0.3%. I have more Ethereum to do this with, and I'm going to be providing liquidity in the 0.05% pool, and I think that is probably the best pool that you should be using, is the 0.05% Ethereum to USDC pool. So that's about it for the video. I really think this is an interesting way to make passive income on your cryptocurrency. It's kind of like being Coinbase or Gemini or one of those exchanges, but instead of them collecting your fees for making trades, you can provide liquidity and collect fees from other people making trades using your money. Like I said before, this doesn't come without added risk, but the math works out and it makes sense. A 0.05% fee for trading Ethereum for USDC is very, very small for someone who's making a trade on this platform. And if you're providing liquidity for that trade, then yes, eventually that 0.05% fee, if it's being facilitated many times over and over again because it's providing the cheapest way to exchange Ethereum on the Uniswap network, then yes, you are going to get compound interest on your liquidity that you provided to the network, and it'll eventually compound into a very attractive number, which gives you over a 100% APY currently. Decentralized finance is an amazing topic that I plan to continue to explore on my channel, so I encourage you guys to join the journey alongside me and subscribe to the channel for more of this content. I know that I normally do make stock videos, but I like to make cryptocurrency videos every once in a while, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something as always, and that's going to be about it. See you guys later. Peace.